people expect when they have a major project getting done by Cook?
What should you expect when you have a major project done by Cook Home Services? So first of all, when you move forward with a project, you're going to get some contacts from our office just to schedule and just update you as these things happen, and just to make sure that everything's set up for the right day. Now, a lot of our projects are done in one day, but we do have some projects that go for multiple days in a row. And regardless of what style of project, you can expect a lot of the same things. So when we get there at the very beginning, one, you're going to get a text message each day that we're headed your way. On the very first day, or the single day that we do your project, our lead installation team members are going to come to you, and they're just going to greet themselves. They're going to walk through the details of the project with you just to make sure everybody's on the same page. And then they're going to have you just kind of show them the main function areas of the home. We're going to put things down like drop cloths or floor protection as we move through different areas of your home. And then as we get started, they're going to update you throughout the day just as things are going. If you happen to leave by chance, they're just going to want to get some contact info from you just in case they need to touch base. At the very end of the project, they're going to have kind of a wrap-up meeting with you just to go through what work we've done, kind of go through the safety details of it, what you need to do to be able to operate it, if there's some type of thermostat or control, and just to make sure that everything looks exactly what we expect. And then once everything's said and done, they're going to wrap up, make sure everything's clean, and then they're going to put all your system information into our services so that we can keep everything tracked and maintained. Overall, we want to make sure that you have a great experience as our team comes to your home and does this work for you.